Hi, my name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakeries in Tampa, Florida. I'm going to show you some simple tools that you might need to actually cut out and place a center support for an uneven cake layer. You're going to need a long cake knife with a serrated edge. You're going to need a smaller paring knife with a serrated edge. And you're also going to need a spatula with a little crook. The paring knife is going to make your first initial cut to cut actually around the perimeter of the circle to actually insert the plates and the columns. Your longer knife is actually going to go in at an angle and remove and cut the middle cake that's actually inside of that circle that you're going to remove. And then this small crooked spatula will actually help you remove the center cake from the center of the cake so we can remove it to a different location so that way we can add in our center cake support. So again, you will need a long serrated cake knife, you'll need a small serrated paring knife, and you'll need a small little spatula with just a little crook in it to help scoop out the cake. And again, my name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakeries in Tampa, Florida.